Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today we're doing a really simple glam look, just really basic everyday kind of look. And I'm just starting off with burnt orange in my crease, and I'm using that as my transition shade. You always need a transition shade, and your transition shade would be something that's similar to your skin tone, so it varies for different skin tones. And now I'm going in with Antique Bronze and just placing that in my crease and blending it out. And I just keep adding as much until I'm satisfied. And then I'm going in with Cypress Umber and placing that at the end of my crease and first blending that in there and then taking it into my crease. I'm now going in with Golden Ochre, I think that's how you say it. Yeah, I'm just placing that on my lid, and then I'm going to blend out the edges until I'm satisfied with the look. And that's pretty much the end of the eyeshadow tutorial. I'm just going to go off camera and do my eyeliner and eyelashes, and then I'll be back to finish off the rest of my face. And now I'm just preparing my skin before I go in with my foundation. I'm using my Danaka face oil and my priming water. I'm going to list all the products below if I forget to mention something, so don't worry guys. So now I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm just buffing that in on my Morphe Y6 foundation brush. Please don't mind me being weird, it's just a normal thing for me. For concealer, I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12, I think. Yeah, it's C12. And I'm just placing that on my T-zone, except for my forehead. And then I'm also going to contour the sides of my face with my stick from Black Opal. And before I blend everything out, I spray my face because it helps me blend everything out easier. So I'm using my Morphe sponge, and then I'm going to use a small brush to blend out the places my brush couldn't reach. Or my sponge couldn't reach, actually. To set my face, I'm using my Black Opal finishing powder, and I'm just placing that everywhere that I put concealer. And then I'm going in with my contour palette from jacquemgido and just contouring the sides of my cheeks and also by my edges. For highlight, I'm using my baked highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just placing that on my cheekbones, chin, tip of my nose, under my brow bone, and yeah, just all the places that you would normally highlight. I'm using a lip stain that I got from Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm first lining my lips with a dark brown pencil and then going in with the lip stain. And that's pretty much the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!